Archibald Skirving was born 1749, died May 19, 1819, was a Scottish portrait painter. He was born at Athelstaneford near Haddington. After studying both in Rome and London, he settled in Edinburgh, where he obtained some fame as a portrait painter. His most successful portraits were executed in crayon. The best-known work is his pastel portrait of Robert Burns, executed partly from Nasmyth's famous portrait, and partly from Skirving's recollection of the poet, whom he met, it is said, at Edinburgh in 1786. This portrait was acquired by Sir Theodore Martin and is in the National Burns collection.